This table gives an idea of which salts are soluble and which ones are not. All potassium, sodium, ammonium, and the nodes are all soluble. So they can be prepared by action of dilute acid with alkali or base. Chlorides, most are soluble except silver chloride and lead 2 chloride, which is insoluble. Sulfates are mainly soluble except barium sulfate and lead 2 sulfate and calcium sulfate, which is sparingly soluble in water. Carbonates mainly soluble, especially potassium, sodium, and ammonium. The rest are insoluble. So to prepare soluble salt, then we have to choose carefully. We need 2 solutions: a solution of a soluble salt and another soluble salt to produce an insoluble salt and a soluble salt. In other words, our desire is to produce this insoluble salt. So we look at what it's made of. Silver, we get it from silver nitrate, which is already soluble. All nitrates are soluble. Then we pick a chloride, which is soluble. Sodium chloride is soluble. And we mix them. And in the process, they will swap partners and form the precipitate, which deposits the bottom, and a soluble salt that can be filtered off. Now, in terms of ionic equation, this is silver. Silver ions are soluble in the nitrate, plus the nitrate ions, which are also soluble, plus the sodium ions, plus the chloride ions. These will produce silver chloride, which is insoluble, so it's a solid, plus sodium ions, plus nitrate ions. Now, if you look at this, you find that the nitrate ion appears on both sides of the equation, so it is a spectator. And also we notice that the sodium ion is appearing on both sides of the equation, it's a spectator. So overall, we have our reaction as the ionic equation is silver ions from anywhere and chloride ions from the other solution, which should be able to give us silver chloride, which is a solid. So this is the way we prepare insoluble salts, by taking 2 salts, making sure the partners in each of the salts will join up and give us the precipitate, and then reacting the mixture and filtering off the soluble salt, and we have our insoluble salt.